All right, guys, I am going to be going over each of these different assignments with you and posting a video each time. Right now, I am going to record a video for finding percent of a number 3 right here on Google Classroom. I'll be going there. Remember, all you have to do is click on the assignment and sign in with your Gmail address, and it will take you there. I already have it opened up right here, so I'm going to review this worksheet and show you how to do this. All right, first of all, you are just finding the percent of a number. Remember that is always means equal. Remember that of means times. So what you're going to do is you're going to say, well, it says, what is 125% of 116? Now, I know that you're used to working with smaller percentages, but you're going to do exactly the same thing if something is more than 100%. You will do exactly the same work as you did if it was less than 100%. So we're going to go right here. We've got 125% of 116. All right, so we want to know what 125% of 116. All right, let's go back and check that. All right, 125% of 116. Oh, where did my word go? There's my word. Okay, here it is. All right, 125% of 116. So remember that of always means times. But remember that when you are working with a percentage, you have to change it to a decimal first. So 125%, you would move your decimal 2 places to the left. Here's your decimal right here. So you're going to go 1, 2. So you would have, let's do this so you can see it better, 1.25 of its times, and then 116. That's what you're going to look for to find your answer. So we're going to go here, and we're going to say 1.25 times 116, and that is equal to 145. So we're going to go right here, and we're going to type in 145. We're going to do another example here. We've got 150% of 136. So let's see what that would be. 150% of 136 of 136. Now again, we're going to change that to a decimal. We're going to move our decimal 2 places to the left in order to do that. So you can have 1.5. Now, if it makes you feel better to leave the 0 there, you can leave the 0 there. Times 136. All right, let's use our calculator to see what that is. Let's clear this out. 1.5, and you can put the 0 on if you want to, but you don't have to, times 136, and that equals 204. So you're just going to put right on here, 204. Let's move down and do an example down here. Let's do 10% right here, 10% of 160. Just so you can see how that works. All right, so we're going to say what is 10% of 160. Well, first we have to change that to a decimal. So we're going to move our decimal 1, 2 places to the left there. So it is going to be 0.1 or 0.10 if you want to leave it on there is fine, times 160. Now we can do this 2 ways. If you're taking 10% of that, you can just move your decimal here, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to, because you can check yourself. You can say 0.10 or just 0.1 times 160, and that should give you 16. So we're going to put that, where'd it go? Right here. We're going to put that on our answer sheet right here. Looks like number 8. And all you're going to do is multiply these out. You're going to change each one of these to a decimal, multiply them times the number, and put your answer into the column over here. All right, that is how to find percents 3 on your Google Classroom. It's this assignment right here, finding percent of a number 3, and I will post this video in just a moment for you.